Okay, how about me saying you I envy you?
I like it.
Why?
Feels good. I don't know why, but I have to feel something, one or the other.
Suits your ego?
Yeah, sort of. I feel superior to you. Things like that.
अच्छा, तो अब मॉडेस्टी को साइड में रखते हैं. आपको क्या लगता है कि मुझे क्यों जलन होनी चाहिए आपसे?
आपको तो होनी नहीं चाहिए जलन, क्योंकि आई एम श्योर आपकी ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं. बहुत सारे लोग जो आपसे प्यार करते हैं. आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड भी होगी, आप भी खूबसूरत हैं. सो जलन वैसे होनी नहीं चाहिए. और जिस तरह से मैंने अभी अभी कहा है कि इतनी अच्छी चीज़ें होंगी आपकी लाइफ में, तो जलन बंद हुआ होगा.
मतलब मैं पिछले कितने सालों से नोट कर रहा हूँ, और हर बार जब भी मेरा आपसे इंटरेक्शन होता है, मैं लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करता हूँ, आपके बारे में बात चलती है. What is that thing which makes everybody, be it a boy, be it a man, be it a woman, drools over you?
लोग भी दिख रहे हैं इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा.
तो देख रहे हो, टीवी है यार, फिल्म थोड़ी बना रहे हैं.
पर हम लोग भी दिख रहे हैं कैमरा
तो अच्छे लग रहे हैं आप लोग सब.
चल
रियलिटी.
चल ठीक है.
और थोड़ा जूम इन भी करना.
चल रोल.
Drools over you.
You don't
Why?
mind,
I know.
what is it?
आपको क्या लगता है?
It's the X factor. Ding,
Keep
ding,
that,
ding, 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 ding,
keep
ding.
that thing modesty apart. Speak about it. What's that expect?
Uh,
You must have analyzed sometime, Milan. मिरर के सामने कोई भी आदमी झूठ नहीं बोल सकता कभी.
I really have no idea. I can't answer the question. I'm just. I like to be comfortable. Maybe that is what people like about me, that I insist on being comfortable. I am comfortable. I like people around me to be comfortable, not just for myself. I like the atmosphere around me to be comfortable, the ambience comfortable. I like to make people comfortable. Maybe that's what people like, and that it shows maybe in the way I am. And that is an attractive trait, I feel. Because क्या होता है, when we enter a new territory, or we are in a place that we don't know, or we meet people that we don't know, we always have a certain insecurity. Even I have it. Everybody has it. It's a very basic thing. A certain fear of acceptance. Ki, will I be accepted or not? Or will I get along with this person or not? Will I have a good relationship with this person, this place, this job, this profession or not? So that insecurity and fear is always there, and it's very relevant. So for me, I like to get rid of that as much as possible for myself also, and for other people as well. And by helping other people to get over their insecurity, I help myself. So I think that is a factor that really people feel comfortable about with me.
आपको लगता है you understand women?
Nobody understands women. No. Well, with my experience, I would say, and coming from a family in which there are 4 women, I have 3 sisters. My mother, they've taught me well about how I should treat women, how I should be with women, and I have attempted to understand through them the psyche and the mind and the emotions of women. And I know a little bit, but whatever I know, I love.
अच्छा, how many points will you give now you married? आप अपने आप को किस जगह पे रेट करोगे इस समय हस्बैंड के तौर पे?
As a husband, when my wife rates me out of 10, 10. But I would say I'm trying to keep that rating. So everything I do now is just trying to keep that rating, because she keeps telling me I'm the most incredible husband that any woman could ever have.
Oh, that's the sweetest thing she's told you, or that what was that sweetest thing she ever said?
I think this is it. For me, this is very important because it also speaks about how she perceives our relationship, which is very important for me. And she's told me a lot of very, very sweet things, but I think this is good. And maybe she's told me because she wants me to keep trying to keep up to that, which is a good ploy.
डिफ़िकल्ट होता है क्योंकि जैसे मैं आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा, रिलेशन आई एम ऑल्सो इन अ रिलेशन, इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट जब इतनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस आपसे होती है. कई बार होता है कि आप मैनिपुलेट कर जाते हो अपनी ही चीज़ों को, बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट टू स्पीक व्हाट इट्स हियर, बिकॉज यू वांट टू स्पीक व्हाट द अदर पर्सन वांट टू लिसन टू.
Yeah.
ऐसा होता है आपके साथ?
But there's nothing wrong with that. There is definitely nothing wrong with saying what other people want to listen to, if it is not harming anything, or it's not weakening anything, or compromising anything. There are times when you have to speak the truth. It is very important to speak the truth, and it is very. And sometimes it doesn't matter if you say things only to please people. It doesn't matter. But we have to recognize those times. Okay, at this time, it doesn't matter if I'm saying something just to make someone happy, but at this time, it is important that I must tell the truth. It is not only important for my own integrity, it is also important for the respect I have for the other person, and it is important for the relationship that I have. So it is very important to understand the difference. At what time I can say things just to please somebody, and say things that are absolutely the truth.
ओके इतना प्रेशर का टाइम है ऑल अराउंड एवरीबडी इज इन प्रेशर टर्बुलेंट टाइम है रिलेशंस डजंट स्टे फॉर लॉन्ग इवन मेल एंड वुमेन इज स्केयर टू एन एक्सटेंट स्केयर हो आप कभी लगता है डर कि
Always. मुझे लगता है even in my current relationship where I'm married, I feel that yes, it is possible that at some point my wife may be attracted to somebody else. She may want something else from the relationship which I am not able to give. It's possible. We love each other tremendously right now. But I hope that we can work at the relationship and make it something so special that both of us will not want to look somewhere.
आर यू रोमांटिक
I don't know what that means really, but I believe in love. All kinds of love everywhere, among all people. Also romantic love between a man and a woman, and a man and a man, and a woman and a woman. But I do like to do things just to please the other person. Maybe that is romantic. Just so that they are happy. Just so that they feel special. So माking somebody I love feel special also makes me feel special.
सो जैसे
So
अभी-
I could be romantic.
नहीं अभी जैसे शॉर्ट चल रहा है या जो भी है तो आप सोचते रहते हो यार शुड आई गिव हर दिस सरप्राइज शुड आई डू दिस या शुड आई सेंड हर फ्लावर्स यू नो दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स
Short जब चल रहा है तब मैं ये सब नहीं
मतलब
सोचता
जब भी
because
time
I do
रहता है।
try and concentrate on what is happening. But yes, at every moment that is possible, I do think of everything that we share and how it can be better and what I can do to make the relationship even more special for her. I think about that a lot, and I think that's very important. Both people in a relationship should give a lot of thought to how to make the relationship special for the other person.
आज बहुत दिनों बाद मैं आपको एक इंडियन फिल्म के लिए शूट करते हुए देख रहा हूँ क्या रीज़न है इस फिल्म को करने का इज इट दैट यू अवर्स टू इंडियन फिल्म्स व्हाई यू सो एक्सक्लूसिव
No, it's not out of choice. I mean, if more people came to me with more interesting scripts, I would shoot every day and do 25 films a year. तो बात यही है कि firstly, mainstream Bollywood producers don't come to me for some reason. I'm happy to do experimental, offbeat, parallel kind of cinema, which is not mainstream. Mainstream to me is very थोड़ा मुझे shallow लगता है कि उसमें characters strong नहीं होते, उसमें story line strong नहीं होती, काफ़ी गड़बड़ होती है. I prefer to have a story which has substance, real substance, that people can relate to at a very basic level. कि yes, this is a part of life. Not just mazak masti. Mazak masti, of course, is fun. I would love to do films like that as well, once in a while. But I'm more drawn to these kind of movies. और इन फिल्मों में ऐसा होता है because it's not as easy to do a film that makes a difference. So a lot of time experiments do fail. A lot of time offbeat films do not strike the mark because they are trying to stay away from the formula. Formula जब आप इस्तेमाल करते हैं then the rate of success is higher. So when there is a popular film, जैसे कि बॉलीवुड में होता है और या हॉलीवुड में भी होता है, in popular films there is always a formula which is almost foolproof. If you follow that formula perfectly, the film should be successful. But in offbeat films, in parallel films, in films that are trying to be different, there is always a greater chance of failure. But there is also more satisfaction if the film does well in knowing that you have been able to create something.
आप अपना बर्थ पोस्टपोन करना चाहते हैं मतलब अगर आपको लगता है आप जिस एरा में आए एरा ऑफकोर्स मैं गलत वर्ड यूज़ कर रहा हूँ मेरे पास दूसरा वर्ड नहीं है लेकिन जिस समय आप थे जिस ऊंचाई पे आप पहुँचे यही चीज़ अगर थोड़े दिनों बाद होती आज के टाइम पे तो कुछ ज़्यादा पैसा होता कुछ ज़्यादा पॉपुलैरिटी होती मीडिया बहुत ज़्यादा है लोग बहुत ज़्यादा है ऐसा लगता है
कंपटीशन भी बहुत ज़्यादा है.
पर आप
So I think there's a lot of pressure of competition. There's a lot of stress of competition. Of course, competition is a greater challenge, and I enjoy challenges. But I like to create challenges for myself rather than having competition be a challenge. You know, so if when I started modeling, for example, there were no models. So I was quite happy to be there. Of course, maybe people said that I was the best. There was nobody else. And even today they say there has been nobody else, or you know, whatever they say about me. That may be true, but I'm quite happy that there was nobody when I started. At this point in time also, whenever I do a project, I want to do something that is a challenge for me, not a challenge because there are other people in a race. You know? So I'm quite happy being in the position that I am in. I'm quite happy that I started when I did. I wouldn't like to really change anything. And I think मुझे ये नहीं लगता कि for an actor, especially, it's ever too late. If I'm doing roles when I'm 25 of a person who is 25, I can do roles when I'm 35 of a person who's 35. I can do roles when I'm 60 of a person who's 60, or 90 of a person who's 90.
Okay, going a little off track. What's your comment on Ash and Abhishek? Will they make a good husband and wife? Look, देख के क्या लगता है?
देख के ऐसा लगता है why not? See, a relationship is a very subjective thing. It depends solely on the two people's personalities. Obviously, it doesn't depend on how they look. They may look like anything, you know. I've been in relationships where me and my partner look fantastic together, and everybody told us, "Oh, you look so beautiful," and of course there was people around were heartbroken when we broke up. So ऐसा भी होता है. But the most important thing is each person in that relationship, are they able to make it together?
Okay. Who, according to you, is the hottest couple in film industry? आपको देख के लगता है यार, wow.
Obviously, John Abraham and Bipasha Basu. I mean, there is nobody hotter, better looking, more charismatic as a couple and individually as them.
Okay, you think justice being done to Sanjay Dutt?
To who?
Sanjay Dutt. You followed that case?
Well, I think that Sanjay Dutt has had a very good life.
No justice because he got
And Sanjay Dutt is a very good person. People love him. They love him professionally. They love him as a person. Nobody has any bad things to say about him. He's been lucky. He's lived life on his own terms most of the time, much more than many others can. And problems तो हर किसी की life में आती हैं, and he will deal with them. And we won't say that life or society is ever fair. There is always injustice, and we have to deal with that as well. We can't expect, even I can't expect कि मेरे साथ हमेशा अच्छा ही होगा, या लोग मुझे अच्छा ही कहेंगे, या दूसरे कोई लोग मिस्टेक नहीं करेंगे मेरे बारे में. So he has to deal with it. And of course, my best wishes are always with him.